You got the sneezies? You got some allergies? You get them all out? You gonna sneeze again? You got that sneeze face. You sneeze. No sneeze. You're just trying so hard not to sneeze. You gonna lick the blanket to keep from sneezing? Just sneeze. It's okay. Just sneeze. It's you. It's you. Oh, you poor guy. You got the allergies. You got the allergies. You can't stop sneezing. You can't stop sneezing. Or are you just gonna lick your paws and your nose and everything until you can't, until you don't think about sneezing? Are you mad? You're mad because I'm filming you? Mad? Do you want a hug? No. It's okay. How do you feel? No more sneezies? No more sneezies? There's a big smile. Ah. You done?